All right, so we're back at our beautiful resort here. It's not really a resort, it's like a motel. At our beautiful motel, and we're gonna go exploring a little bit. Jajce Canoe Club. Sun is slowly starting to go down. These are the paddle boats. This one has something, and oh, look the little duck on the pier. Oh shit! I don't know how safe this. It looks safe. This boat is attached to it, so. This is such a pretty lake. This little board is a little uneven. Jerare, gdje su oni mlinovi, mlinčićani? Kojim se putem ide? Znači ovom stazom, vam desno. A, cestom, evo, hvala. Alright, our next adventure, we are going to check out these watermills with a bunch of little small river pathways around. It looked like a very beautiful place on video, online. We're walking to it. It's about a 5-10 minute walk from us, from Plivsko Jezero. These watermills were used to make flour, to make bread, with this amazing view behind me right now. They've preserved the old mills. This is exactly how they looked like back in the day. Some of these mills were used to make oils as well. Here in Jajce, they're called mlinčići. So basically watermills. They used to create them on, because there was no electricity, so they created them on water. So the water current would go and it would spin, and that would create the flour. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Watch out, mine.
You know what I'm talking about. Don't say that, dude. What did you say?
My poor baby got scared.
Mine.
My poor baby got scared, huh?
It's not funny.
It's not.
Snake! No. They don't go in the I think
we're gonna go on this crazy adventure, guys.
You're not going.
Holy shit. Look at that. Dobar dan, kako ide?
Kako je?
Malo se peca, a? Fino.
Je li imaš šta? Lovi.
Neka bude, neka ne bude. Tako je. This river here is actually very, very long. There's a lot of different parts to it. There's a place nearby where 3, 4 different rivers connect to, and it's very, very beautiful. We're not gonna get the chance to go today. It's called Šipovo, I think. Hey kitty, come here kitty. I got you. Come here kitty. Come here. Good job. Oh, through my feet. Hey, take her off the road. Watch out, car coming, car coming. There you go.
Oh, she pushed me. No, don't come here.
Okay. All right, bye, kitty. Nice to meet you, kitty. Yeah, we can go down right here. All right, we're here at the mills. This is located in Plivsko Jezero in Jajce. So the water current will help push these grinders, and then that would grind the flour, grind the corn into flour. I don't know what the heck that is. Look how small this door is, and you can tell me that dwarves didn't exist. Dwarfs and gnomes from fairyland. It's very small streams. Look at this. Oh my God, check this thing out right here. This is very old school. All of this, those are the original stones left over from these old mills, and they're being stored right here. Kinda looks very freaky inside. And there's a big old watermelon right there. A prehistoric watermelon. So bench. This is a place that you guys definitely need to visit. So these are my suggestions. If you're in Bosnia and Herzegovina, you should travel to Jajce. You're probably gonna enter the country around Sarajevo, around Mostar, but you should make, it's maybe a 4-hour drive, maybe a 5-hour drive from Sarajevo here to Jajce. But it's a definite must. When you get here to Jajce, you should definitely explore the center, that is the Jajce waterfalls and the huge Jajce fortress located in the center of town on top of the hill. The hill is a walled fortress, or the city of Jajce is a walled fortress as well. There's walls on different parts of the city. But when you do come to Jajce, you should stay at Plivsko Jezero, because it has a few motels there, like the one that we're staying at, Motel Plaza, which are a great place to stay at, because these Mlinčići, or these watermills, they're only about a 5-minute walk, and there's a lot of very awesome things to see in the area, including the lakes that is Plivsko Jezero. So this is a definite must-see here in Bosnia. So we just left the Mlinčići. We're going through this little beautiful forest, and it still has these rivers. This is all smaller streams and rivers from Plivsko Jezero. I had an audience back there. Everybody was looking at me while I was explaining this. It's kind of a little harder to talk when there's 10 people staring at you thinking, what the fuck are you doing? But you know, it's totally worth it.
I'm gonna laugh.
Totally worth it.
Let's see. You know what I don't like of this? That
Tent?
the tent.
Maybe from this way, maybe
This way,
picture, yeah.
like that. This way. Okay, take it from right here. That morning, but you guys don't do crap about it. Yeah. Okay,
You guys are so rude. I'll do one thing to him or one thing and you guys get all crazy about it. But he'll do so many. I don't care. He'll do so many things to me and you guys won't do nothing. Okay? That's why I'm
Ruining my video, Julia. Ruining my amazing video.
I don't care. Just take the audio out.
But I still have to contend with your face on the video. We can go around here and we can go back. Oh man, there's a diving board.
Diving board? What?
Yeah, look at that. See that diving board over there?
Go jump off it.
It's a man-made diving structure. Right here, look at this. It's actually pretty badass. Look at that. And it has about 1, 2, 3 different heights to where you can go and jump from. Look at that. Que cute. Que bonito.
Qué bonito es lo bonito.
Vámonos.
A little trash right here, but it's fine. We'll clean it up.
Here's a.
What?
Let's do our handshake.
Oh, look at this, guys.
Let's do our
Be
handshake.
careful.
Handshake. Oh my god. No, honestly, I didn't even mean to. Like, I was just
Careful right there.
Oh, dos mijos, my foot is stuck.
Carmen Julia.
Is there water here? We are out of water at the lake. No water at the lake.
Does that say Chabapi?
That does say Chabapi.
You want a picture? You want a picture? Yes, of course. Why are you being so weird?
Of me? Jesi upet so šta? Još ništa. Dobro, bit će. Pred mrak sad. Kakve ribe ovdje ima? Pastrmke. A ovo, znači ima svašta? Dobro, fino. Ništa, aj vidimo se. Doviđenja. So far, no luck with him. He hasn't caught anything yet, but he says there's a bunch of different fish here, and I believe him. But nothing so far. He has two fishing poles in, so.
You can go on the water. Yeah, that's really fast. Come here.
Don't we call it over?
Look at that shit. Oh, fuck! Holy shit! You record that? Yeah. And all the fish just scattered. They're like, fuck, this motherfucker's crazy.
Let's get away from him.
And you said we were gonna swim in this lake?
You know what?
Last one.
You want to take later? I want to take a paddle boat with you. Yeah? You be down to take a paddle boat and go hunting for anaconda? My anaconda, don't. My anaconda. All right, let's see what's over here in this location. I guess it's an end. In Bosnia, what you do not want to do, if you don't see a path, I would not recommend you walking it, because there still is many mines in the country, and a lot of them are uncovered. A lot of them get swept up by the rain like yesterday. So even in areas where there was mines, and areas where there wasn't mines, a mine could appear there with the rain washing it to a different area. So that can be pretty scary. So I don't recommend you going off paths in Bosnia, especially right here, just especially in forest areas. Don't stick to a path. But we're gonna stop right here, but we're just gonna check out this swastika with a cross over it. Why is the swastika here? I don't know. There's swastikas everywhere. I guess Hitler had a huge influence on this world.